Chorus doesn't always roar. Sometimes chorus is the little voice at the end of the day that says, I will try again tomorrow. So optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Hari Om. Top of the morning to everyone. On this rising and shining morning, myself Atindra Ditya Parida of Standard 8P welcome you all to the Anti-Tobacco Day program of our Chinmay Vidyalaya through this small video presentation. Yes, we need confidence to make success to the theme of the World No Tobacco Day 2021 campaign, which says commit to quit for tobacco users. This day is celebrated around the world every year on May 31st, and it was created by the World Health Organization in 1987 to draw global attention to the tobacco epidemic and the preventable death and disease it causes. It is an opportunity to raise awareness on the harmful and deadly effects of tobacco use and second-hand smoke exposure, and to discourage the use of tobacco in any manner. So, now let us welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am to say a few words on this Anti-Tobacco Day.
Hari Om, and very good morning to all of you children. Om Sri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. Students, I hope you must all be enjoying your holidays nicely. Recently, there was heavy rain in our city. So now it's little cool. Everywhere it looks green. So you must be enjoying the nature, cool green nature, which is a symbol of prosperity. So we always hope for good days to come back. Definitely, now you must all be facing little problem because you are unable to come out of your house for more than a year. But I am sure God is so kind and benevolent that very soon things will be okay. However, today I am here with you to talk to you about World No Tobacco Day. Each year, World Health Organization holds this day on 31st May to spread awareness about the risks of tobacco use and how we can make this world tobacco free. Around, students, 6 million people die from tobacco related ailments every year, and by 2030 it will be more than 8 million deaths due to use of tobacco only. So the goal of this particular day is to reduce deaths by 1/3, and if we can achieve our goal, sure, then by 2030 the world will be a tobacco free world. Sure, should not we think of a world which will be tobacco free? This year the theme of this No Tobacco Day is to commit to quit. So World Health Organization wants a commitment from every citizen of this world to quit use of tobacco. This is the theme of this year. From 1987, 31st May has been observed as World No Tobacco Day, and the deaths caused by this tobacco is, children, no less than an epidemic. We see death every day due to the epidemic and we are afraid. But deaths caused due to use of tobacco is no way less. So it is a danger and a great threat to the existence of human beings. Tobacco is the leading cause of respiratory disorders, all kinds of diseases, and many types of cancers too. smoking cigarettes, cigars, pipes, etc. They are coming under this tobacco use. They are highly injurious to our health. It contains alkaloid nicotine, which is very, very harmful. It leads to deadly diseases affecting our heart, lungs, as well as many kinds of cancers. Tobacco use is the world's single greatest preventable cause of death, which we can prevent, because if we don't use it, we can prevent our death. But people do not listen to it, and they cause their own death while using tobacco. Highly educated people are coming under this category too. In spite of knowing that it is very dangerous, still they use it. And in the world as well as in India, the young people are prone to this use. And day by day, the number of the youngsters using tobacco is increasing. Youngsters between the age of 15 to 24 are using tobacco the most. 5 to 25% of Indian adolescents are currently using tobacco. So this is the present scenario, and this is a big threat to the human existence and the future of the young generation. Hence, students, this day as WHO is holding, so we thought of making ourselves aware of the biggest threat of tobacco users. So hence, we are sending a video with few talks and all that by our own students, and even by an eminent doctor of Rourkela also speaks about the threat of use of tobacco to all of you. So hence, I believe you are all going to go through this particular video, and definitely you make yourself aware of this threat so that you can guide your friends or near and dear ones or anybody whom you will come across, and you will be a source or a part of inspiration for them. You can guide, you can talk to them not to use tobacco. So if each one of us, we are going to take care of another one, in this way we can also contribute like that squirrel which contributed for making the big Setu Bandha in order to go to Lanka and help Lord Rama. So let us all be one squirrel actually by creating awareness for No Tobacco Day, and telling others who are using it not to use, as because it is a great threat. Hope in Chinmaya Vidyalaya you are all Chinmaya students, and you will contribute to the greatest cause for humanity in this manner, and make little effort to make this world a tobacco free world. So let's all come together to do this. So hope you will all do it, and God bless all of you students. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable advice and creating awareness with your beneficial words. With just a single breath, think, with just a single breath, the hundreds of toxins in tobacco smoke begin damaging the lungs. Smoking is expensive, and you pay for it with your looks and health. It causes a poor immune system. Studies show that smokers have a higher risk of a severe case of coronavirus. So, moving forward, I would like to introduce to Dr. Satyaranjan Das, MD, Obstetrics and Gynecology, and parent of Shreyas Das of Standard 9C of our Vidyalaya, to convey some more idea and advice on harm caused due to tobacco.
Hari Om children, I am Dr. Satyaranjan Das. Today we will discuss about what is the harmful effect of tobacco to the human body. You know that every year World Health Organization celebrates 31st May as No Tobacco Day. You know that every year about 8 million people in the world dies because of this tobacco use. In India only 1.2 million people dies every year because of this tobacco use. Tobacco is very harmful to the human body. You know that this is used in form of smoking by smoking cigarette, bidi, chewing pan, gutka and dukta. All these things are the different form of tobacco. This tobacco contains very harmful object or harmful substance. About 5,000 types of toxic agents or toxic substance are present inside the tobacco. Out of which the most dangerous are nicotine, carbon monoxide and tar. This tar is the very noxious agent or very harmful object for the cancer. Those who are using tobacco, they are very prone for suffering from cancer of the lungs, mouth, throat, nose, kidney, even the GI system also. So, this tobacco is very harmful. We must avoid this tobacco use. When this tobacco we use, this will causes many bad effects over the body. There are two types of tobacco users. Those who smoke tobacco, they are the direct users, but those who are sitting beside the smoking person, they are the second-hand smokers. Equally, they are also affected. So, always try to avoid smoking and chewing this kodapan or like that. You should avoid the use of tobacco and you should aware the elders as well as the youngest not to use the tobacco. This year, World Health Organization ensures that everyone should be sure about not to use tobacco. So, be sure to quit is the theme of this year. Let's celebrate every year the No Tobacco Day as 31st May of the year. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your precious advice and to motivate our young generation to quit from tobacco, which is very challenging, especially with the added social and economic stress that have come as a result of the pandemic. Just think, are you burning tobacco or is it burning you? It kills one person every 4 seconds. Each cigarette you smoke is supposed to shorten your life by 11 minutes. You can reject now so that you don't regret tomorrow. Now we will listen a poem from Manisha Mishra of Standard 9A of our Vidyalaya.
Walking down, I see half-burnt killer pipes lying on the streets after hurting many lives. The silly lips who touch the burning devil are to be dead soon. Can sign even their will? I see the teeth chewing the tobacco products in the surrounding of the stores of betel nuts. There's one each in the corner of every street, but dozens of people gathered around the treat. When it is printed on the box itself that smoking is injurious to health, why dare to smoke with a sip of tea and compete with the smoke clouds? How pleasing to see! The government fell through to make them aware. They carry on smoking, none does care. The roll of paper is burnt even by the boys of 16 to face the fatal consequence of nicotine. One day, like the cigarette, your face would burn. Diseases, cancers, and then it is death's done. And when you are being wished farewell on your deathbed, nothing but tears will reveal your regret. One would ask, how can you make the death prediction? I say, I am clever enough to know the results of this worst addiction. For the sake of mankind, I would like to advise, leave smoking, behave wise.
Thank you Manisha Didi, it was really a very nice presentation. जिंदगी की बर्बादी पैसों की तबाही है, क्यों कश लगा रहे हो, क्यों धुआं उड़ा रहे हो, जीते जी क्यों दे रहे हो अपने मुंह में आग, करो स्वयं पर हित के लिए धूम्रपान का त्याग, करो स्वयं पर हित के लिए धूम्रपान का त्याग. Now I would like to request Sanchita Bose of Standard 10A to deliver her speech.
हरिओम। आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल मैडम, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, मैं संचिता बोस क्लास 10वीं ए की छात्रा आज विश्व तंबाकू निषेध दिवस पर कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। हर वर्ष 31 मई को विश्व तंबाकू निषेध दिवस यानी वर्ल्ड नो टोबैको डे मनाया जाता है। इस दिन को मनाने का एक विशेष उद्देश्य है। इस दिन को मनाने का उद्देश्य तंबाकू से होने वाले नुकसान एवं स्वास्थ्य पर पड़ने वाले नकारात्मक प्रभावों की ओर इशारा करना है। इस दिन को मनाने की शुरुआत विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन WHO ने 1987 में की थी। प्रति वर्ष पूरी दुनिया में लगभग 60 लाख लोग तंबाकू के प्रयोग से मर जाते हैं। तंबाकू में मादकता या उत्तेजना देने वाला मुख्य पदार्थ निकोटिन है, जो कि बहुत घातक है। तंबाकू में अन्य बहुत से कैंसर उत्पन्न करने वाले तत्व भी पाए गए हैं। धूम्रपान एवं तंबाकू करने से गला, मुंह, श्वास नली व फेफड़ों का कैंसर, दिल की बीमारियां, उच्च रक्तचाप, अनिद्रा आदि बीमारियों की संभावना रहती है। कभी दूसरों की देखा देखी, कभी बुरी संगति में पड़कर, कभी मित्रों की दबाव में आकर, कभी कम उम्र में खुद को बड़ा दिखाने की चाहत में, तो कभी फिल्मों के द्वारा तंबाकू की लत लग जाती है। तंबाकू का सेवन अनेक रूपों में किया जाता है, जैसे सिगरेट, बीड़ी, गुटखा, जर्दा आदि। तंबाकू की लत पूरी दुनिया में एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या बन चुकी है। खास करके युवाओं के ऊपर इसका बहुत बुरा असर पड़ता है। पूरी दुनिया भर में आज के युग में बहुत से युवा तंबाकू की लत के शिकार हैं। तंबाकू की लत उनके शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य पर बहुत बुरा प्रभाव डालती है। तंबाकू की लत के कारण हमारे सोचने और समझने की शक्ति कम हो जाती है। आज 10वीं 12वीं कक्षा के बच्चे भी तंबाकू एवं धूम्रपान करते हुए दिखाई देते हैं। कभी माता पिता के ध्यान न देने पर या बुरी संगति में पड़कर, कभी दबाव में आकर अक्सर बच्चे राह भटक जाते हैं और उन्हें इस बुरी बीमारी की लत लग जाती है। तंबाकू करना सिर्फ उसी इंसान के लिए हानिकारक नहीं जो कि उसका सेवन करता है, बल्कि उसके आसपास रहने वाले लोगों पर भी इसका बहुत बुरा प्रभाव पड़ता है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम इस समस्या को गंभीरता से लें एवं हमारे आसपास रहने वाले लोगों को इसके बारे में अधिक से अधिक जागृत करें। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि अगर हम साथ मिलकर इस समस्या के खिलाफ लड़े तो हम अवश्य जीत पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Didi, for this precise talk. Parents and other members of the community should also take measures to promote their own health and that of their children by protecting them from the harms caused by tobacco. Here, Shivansh Jyotishi of class 12A is going to present his talk.
Health is wealth is a common and famous saying. Unfortunately, this wealth is being squandered by today's youth by regular consumption of tobacco. May 31st is known as World No Tobacco Day or Anti-Tobacco Day. It emphasizes on the health risks associated with consumption of tobacco and emphasizes on advocating of new policies to reduce tobacco consumption. We all know that consuming tobacco may give pleasure for some amount of time, but in exchange it will take away your life. Some people say that they get energized by consuming tobacco. But have you wondered why is it so? Because it causes an addiction and the person is caught up in a wheel which is very hard to get out of. Very hard. Since the 1900s, medical research has shown over and over that tobacco is related to problems like heart strokes, ulcers, cancer, etc. Tobacco kills half of its user each year. 8 million people die every year of tobacco-related diseases. And out of these 8 million, 1.2 million are not even direct consumers of tobacco. The tobacco industry spends billions of rupees to get new customers every year. And the reason is that most of its previous customers die completely dead. Nowadays, the marketing is aggressively focused towards the youth. According to a survey, it was revealed that more younger the children are when they start using tobacco, the more likely that they are going to become regular users in their adulthood. And if the current trends continue, then over 250 million teens who are alive today will die in their adulthood due to tobacco-related diseases. Death and cancer are the long-term effects. In short term, tobacco can cause sore mouth, stained teeth, tooth loss, bad breath, ulcers, lung problems, etc. And the youth is not completely at fault here. It is also society's fault. Role models to the youth like politicians, movie stars, and in some cases, the parents are also smokers and consumers of tobacco, which makes it look socially acceptable. And the youngsters view that it is a symbol of power and status rather than being a harmful addictive substance which can kill a person. It is only together that we can eradicate this problem. Community as a whole, parents, teachers, peers, heavily influence a child's decision. So teachers and parents, please talk to the children directly about this matter. If you have a friend who smokes and thinks it is cool, please educate him about the risks associated with consuming tobacco. And if he still refuses, distance yourself as much as possible. If you are a parent who smokes or consumes tobacco in any way, quit immediately and become an example for your children. So this 31st May, promise yourselves that you will help encourage every youngster to say no to tobacco, and you yourself will become an example to them. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for giving an excellent talk on today's theme. ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କୁହାଯାଏ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇଆ ଗୋଳ ଅଫିମିଆ ଚୋର ଧୂଆଁ ପତରିଆ ଘରେ ନୀତି ଗୋଳମାଳ. We want to create a generation that is free from tobacco. Let us take the vow to throw away tobacco forever to help to create a pure and clean environment for the new generation. The effectiveness of this program is the reflection of the team effort of our Vidyalaya. So I show appreciation to all the teachers and students who made this presentation. And I also thank to all the viewers who are watching this video right now. It has remained a pronounced pleasure. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you very much.